8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Engine ignition, 2, 1, 0. Relay and liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
Hello Manzoor, you are watching the creation of the universe in Discovery Channel. In this channel you will see the movement of sun, moon, stars and sky, and the stillness of the earth. Friends, we will reveal the secret of the universe, what is reality. Our topic today is, should man go to space? Did man step on the moon? Is there life on any planet? Friends, it is said that man first set foot on the moon in 1969 and observed the moon well, but some people say that it is all a lie. He says that if the American astronauts had gone to the moon, the Arab princes would have gone many times to enjoy it because this mission is 51 years old. No other mission followed. If American astronauts land successfully on the moon, then I salute them. If not, why do I greet you? The reason is that he has invited man to conquer the universe. Go ahead, that is the consequence of today's space race. The other thing was, should man go to Mars or Jupiter? Man must believe. This is a great and important leap of man. According to friendly experts, Mars is located at a distance of 7.8 billion kilometers from Earth. Mars is about 1 time smaller than Earth. The Viking space mission to Mars in 1976 provided detailed information. And many impressions made by water were discovered. Oxygen deficiency was also detected. Is there life on Mars now? Current research has shown that there are traces of water on Mars. That too in large quantities. Not on Mars, but inside Mars. If there is water on Mars, then water has to be extracted by scraping. But all the information of the astronomer is beyond our comprehension. It is -60 degrees but there is no snow. Friends, the time and place of Mars is different from that of Earth. Mars will not be a full stop but a temporary stop. There are more houses in front of Mars. Friends once visited the gathering of the Holy Prophet, SWS, and his companions. Look, everyone is silent. Someone is worried. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, asked, what is the matter? Answer, they are thinking about the creatures of Mullah Allah. He said, okay, look at the creatures, but do not meditate on Allah. Listen, there is a white earth in this west. It is 40 days away from the sun. There lives a creature of Allah, who did not disobey Allah even for a moment. The companions said, then where is the devil from them? The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, they do not even know whether Shaitan has been created or not. The companions asked if he was also a human being. He said that he did not even know about the birth of Hazrat. Now we have to consider the hadith that. What kind of creature is he? However, this statement of the Prophet, peace be upon him, is enough to encourage human space race. Friends, the UAE is now taking the first step on Mars. This is a very difficult journey. We should all pray for UAE space success. May Allah grant success to the UAE. Friends, for more information, make sure this next video is the scene of the universe before the creation of the universe, so that Allah Hafiz.